Well, this is Bobby at Comparative Repair with a functionality proof video. My second or third for the day. I don't remember. This time it is for LG 31MU97-B mainboard. That was returned back by VE. The name will be in the title. It's written behind the cables here. I just initialed the board in the top right corner. I will explain in a minute why. So it comes up, just played the sound, the lights came up, and this is the screen that customer said was missing. Customer was correct this time. I made another and published another functionality proof of a different LG mainboard for a TV, which came working and which we didn't find anything wrong. This one did have something bad, however. I ask you to look here because I made a picture before we fixed the problem. So right now I'm gonna move to my screen where the picture is, and you can see the same VE. If you look here, and if anyone with experience will recognize this discoloration here is the base, the metal wrapper around the actual capacitor, which was torn out, scraped off by something, and the same thing was here on that resistor. It's not so visible here, even though this discoloration basically, again, this is part of the metal ring that surrounds the component and is used as a base so that it can be soldered. Both of those were ripped out, and that was the reason why the board wasn't working. Whether they were ripped out on this side or on the other, unfortunately I cannot tell. Luckily, because of our return policy, which says that it doesn't matter whether the board came out working out of the box or whether it did have an issue, we're paying for the return shipping. This is a return during warranty. Chances are this may have happened on our end. Chances are we may have not seen it. Chances are it may have happened on the customer side. Whichever one it is working now, and we're sending it back. Thank you.